Hey guys, I'm going to cook something delicious today and the name of the dish is garlic prawn kebabs. Once again, hello world, Akash here, and today I am going to turn these beautiful prawns into delicious kebabs. Making a skewer is all about how you rack it up, and in this video I'm gonna show you the best way. So we are going to cook these beautiful prawns with red bell pepper, onion, lime, Parmesan cheese, bread, garlic and canned cherry tomato. We'll make a very basic marinade with olive oil. So we're gonna throw some olive oil, some crushed garlic, some fresh lime zest, some fresh lime juice, light seasoning of salt, cracked pepper. Now we're gonna add some fresh chopped parsley on our marinade and our marinade is done. Some parsley with some parsley stalks. So we're gonna use the whole parsley. We're gonna chop the stalks and the leaves together. So we'll try to pile this up nicely. And then I need a nice fine chop. We'll go straight in the bowl. So guys, our fresh marinade is ready here. Now we're gonna give a quick mix with your hand. Now we'll throw the prawns straight in the marinade. And give a quick mix. So now we'll cut this sourdough in small dices and we'll add with our prawns. The best way to do is cut the bread into half and then little squares. We'll add with prawns. Now I will cut these bell peppers in small dices the way I cut my breads, and then again we'll add this with the prawn marinade. I'm using red bell peppers here, but you can use any different kind of bell pepper. We'll cut this in half first. Take the seed out by hands. Then we'll cut in dices. This bell pepper is gonna give a nice color contrast to our prawn skewers, and also it's gonna enhance a little bit of sweet flavor with the prawns. We'll cut one small medium-sized onion in the same way we cut bell pepper and bread. We'll cut in half, then one half again. And then small dices. We'll give a nice mix. Now we'll make our kebab skewers. So we'll start with bell peppers, which will go in the middle. Then onion. Then prawns, then bread. Continue doing this again. Bell pepper, onion, So in this pattern, we'll make all our skewers, and make sure don't overpack it so that it will cook evenly and we'll get all the flavors at the same time. Look at this nice and gorgeous, colorful skewers. It's all ready, just need to char grill it real quick. So before that, you're gonna slice some garlic and make our cherry tomato sauce. We'll start with some olive oil in the pan. We'll throw a sliced garlic straight in the pan. We'll try to give a nice golden brown color to our garlic first, and then we'll add crushed tomato. We've got a nice color here, and this is the time we're gonna add tomato. We'll give a quick mix. We'll add some seasonings, some salt, some black pepper. We'll add a little bit of oregano. We'll throw some fresh mint leaves straight in the pan. Now we'll keep it on medium heat to simmer for 3 to 4 minutes, and then it's gonna be done. Now we'll grill our skewers. You can use medium pan as well, but I'm using a grill pan. We'll throw some olive oil straight in. Now we'll add our skewers. So guys, finally our nice and gorgeous garlic prawn kebab is ready, and I can't wait to plate it. It looks awesome. So we'll start with the tomato sauce first. Two skewers in the middle. Last but not the least, we're gonna finish with some nice caramelized lime as a garnish on the top. This dish looks amazing and very easy to make. The best part is you're gonna get the flavor of nice char grilled bell peppers, onions, prawns, the bread. It's all working together. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment for more upcoming recipes coming up. Thank you.